Welcome viewers to Software a software engineering academy. Today we will discuss about how to apply highlight activities in a project and how to display that activities in a time scale area, and how to configure your bars, how to format your chart option and bar option in Primavera P6 and display that activities in a Primavera P6 print preview layout. So we will open Primavera P6 here. So you can see here there are a lot of options you can highlight. I can show you in a video. You can find that video in the description link. So there is one option from which look ahead you can use by this one, custom selection. When you use this custom selection and go in the print preview, so this custom selection can show out throughout the time scale and the Gantt chart. So the client can get this selection, but this do not look aesthetic look. But if you remove that selection from here and we use another selection, for example I use another selection, this one layout, and apply this layout by highlighting this activity, and we go here in a print preview, this activity highlight will not show in print preview layout. So what we will do, we will apply that highlighting in our bar chart option area. We will change the colors of these bars and we will change the pattern of these bars to show or to highlight to our client about the activities look ahead. We will not show only the activities which are in look ahead. We will only highlight the activities in the project to show to our client that these activities are in look ahead. So what we will do, first of all I will create filters, two filters right now. I will go here, I will create a new filter, this look ahead. How to create this look ahead filter? So to create this look ahead filter, we will write a name 2-week look ahead. So first of all we will create here activity status which is not equal to completed. So we will add here any of the following: start, finish. Start date is within the range of data date and data date plus 14 days. Like the same in finish date within a range of data date and the same the data date plus 14 days or 2 weeks. So we can write here 2W or 14D. It's your choice. These are already configured in the Primavera P6. So we created a 2-week look ahead filter here. We can write with the bars. So when we select this one, okay, apply, we will not apply, we will just highlight the activities. So you can see the activities are highlighted now. So we will create a new filter here also, non look ahead or not finish or non look ahead, finish or start in 2 weeks. So let's continue here. First of all, start is not within a range of data date and the data date plus 14 or 2 weeks. You can add here and finish is not within a range of data date and data date plus 2 week. So also the activity is not completed now. This one filter, this one, and the one is this one. So any of the selected filter, so when we select any of the selected filter, all the activities will be selected here. See, all the activities are selected. So it means if we apply this filter, this both filter combinedly, all activity will be selected. So if we remove one filter and apply, so it will remove 4 activities and select the remaining activities. So what we will do, we will apply the same. We will remove this one filter, and now we will move here all activities, press OK. Now we cannot print the highlighted activities, so we will create a new bar here. Add a bar with the name of look ahead 2 week, and the other one we will create another one, look ahead, non look ahead or non finish, not finish or started or start in 2 week, start in 2 week. So here all the activities in the filter selected. So look ahead for two week. Here we will select this one name, we can see the name clearly, and we will select the activities, this one, and when we select this one, can you see 2 week look ahead bars here? Apply OK, and apply the filter. It will not show here because the remaining work is appearing here and critical work also appearing in the project. So we will select this one and we will change the color, any color we can put out there, and you can see the change in color here. Bars here, we will unselect this one. These activities are up to 4 activities, 1 2 3 4 activities are in look ahead, so that's why these are changed into this color. So the next one we will change this color also here. So we will change this color to sky, apply, show the bars. Now we will apply the filter here. Non-finish, apply, OK. So can you see the activity which are not in look ahead are shown in sky blue color? Apply, OK. So you can see all the activities which are not in look ahead will appear in sky blue. So these 3 activities are in look ahead, that's why it's showing the bar. So how to highlight these activities? By using the bar option, you can see from here. So in the first one, we will apply this one both and select any selected filter. So both one will be appear in the selected option. Press OK, apply, OK. So for example, if the project is in progress, so what will be impact on this color? Because this project is not progress, this is the baseline project, so we cannot see how the look ahead appears. So mostly we need a look ahead during the project monitoring phase. So what we will do, we will just apply something, go update the project, all the highlighted activities, and we will update the project up to 22 of August. We will see the data date here, 23 of August. So we can see the activities, all the activities here now are in sky blue color. No look ahead is showing here. So now we will go here, remove the flash highlight here, and here we will go here in the filter. We will see here apply, we will see highlight activities. So these three activities are in look ahead, but these are not appearing here in the different color. We will go here in the bars and we apply the bars. Can you see here the bars are applied now? So these three activities are showing in the look ahead and the other activities are not in look ahead. So this is the simple. You can apply this one on all projects. So if for example sometimes it happens, let me show you something more. the activity. For example, some activities are in progress which will not shown in the look ahead. So I will tell you the solution. Go here and apply the actuals, update the progress. So you can see here progress is updated now. Bars, apply bars, okay. But these three activities are not change its color. So these activities are in progress. That's why. So what we will do, we'll go here in the bars and we will select in the bars here and we will select the options here and modify this one and add here activity status here. Activity status here is not equal to in progress, okay. And the other one here, modify, we will add here a filter, activity status equal to in progress. So while in progress activities, it will not shown here and it will not clarify this one. Okay, press apply. Okay, so now you can see the all activities which are in progress will be also shown in the same color. So that's it's today's our content. So how to show or how to highlight our activities in the bar option to represent to our client. So you can see here print preview. It's easily seen here in the print preview. So there is something problem. We can go here and fix that one issue. So you can see here there is also issue. You can see my print page print layout settings, how to create that setting. So this you can see here all the bars which are in look ahead are different color and the other colors are different. So this is our today's content. So make sure you have subscribed our channel and press the bell icon, like, comment and share and suggest us a new content. Thanks for watching Softudemy.